The biggest duck myth debunked: can they really fly? Hey there, animal adventurers and nature fanatics. Welcome back to FactSpark, where we dive headfirst into the wildest truths about the animal kingdom. Today, we're tackling a question that's probably made you scratch your head more than once. Can ducks actually fly? Or are they just, well, adorable little waddlers who prefer to keep their feet on the ground or in the water? Get ready, because we're about to blow your mind and debunk one of the biggest, fluffiest misconceptions out there. You've seen them, right? Waddling around the park, gliding gracefully across a pond, maybe even causing a minor traffic jam as they awkwardly cross the road. It's easy to look at these feathered friends and think, fly? Nah, they're clearly built for swimming and strutting. But hold on to your feathers, folks, because here's the quacking truth. Most ducks, especially the wild ones, aren't just capable of flight. They're bona fide aerial acrobats. The idea that ducks can't fly is a super common misunderstanding, but if most of them can soar, why does this myth even exist? Time to uncover the exceptions. First up, let's talk about our domesticated ducky pals. Many popular breeds, like the fluffy Pekin duck you might see on a farm, have been bred for generations for things like, well, becoming dinner. This means they're bigger, heavier, and have wings that are, let's just say, not exactly designed for takeoff. They're basically the couch potatoes of the duck world. Plus, if a duck is living its best life, happy, well-fed, and with all its needs met, why bother with the exhausting effort of flying away? Home is safe and comfy, and let's be honest, ducks can be a little lazy when it comes to unnecessary cardio. Then we have the injured ducks. Just like us, if a duck has a boo-boo, especially a wing injury or some other physical challenge, it might be grounded. And of course, the ducklings. These impossibly cute little fluff balls are still in flight school. They need time to grow their powerful flight muscles and get their feathers in order. But don't worry, wild ducklings like the common mallard will typically be strong enough to earn their wings and join their family's migration south by fall. Here's another surprising tidbit. Even the ducks that can fly sometimes struggle. Wild ducks, especially the diving types, often need a long runway on water to build up enough speed for takeoff. Think of it like trying to launch a jumbo jet from a tiny parking spot. It's just not happening. Trying to blast off from land, especially quickly, can be super tough or even impossible for many species if they don't have enough space. That's why you might see a wild duck waddling across the road instead of gracefully soaring over it. They need that watery runway to get airborne efficiently. And finally, there are a rare few naturally flightless duck species, like the quirky Fujian steamer duck from South America. These guys are nature's little rebels. They've evolved to thrive in their aquatic environments without ever needing to leave the ground. So how do the flying ducks pull off such amazing aerial feats? It's all thanks to millions of years of incredible evolution, turning them into true biological engineering marvels. Their wings are perfectly designed airfoils, long and pointed for maximum speed. Stiff primary feathers provide the thrust, while uniquely shaped secondary feathers create the lift. Their feathers even have tiny zippers called barbules that lock them together for extra strength. Talk about precision! And their streamlined spindle-shaped bodies are like nature's own aerodynamic design, cutting through the air to save energy for efficient flight. Flying takes a ton of energy, so ducks have a uniquely structured skeleton that's both feather-light and incredibly strong. Their bones are hollow, often filled with air sacs, like built-in airbags, and reinforced with struts. Many bones are even fused for rigidity without the extra weight of bone marrow. They've got a massive breastbone with a big keel, acting as a sturdy anchor for their powerful flight muscles. Basically a ship's hull for the sky. To lighten the load even more, they've traded heavy jaws and teeth for a super strong muscular gizzard, conveniently located near their center of gravity. And get this, even their reproductive organs shrink significantly when they're not breeding. Every ounce counts when you're flying thousands of miles. Powering those wings are huge chest muscles, making up about 1/6 of their total body weight. These muscles are packed with oxygen-carrying red fibers built for sustained long-distance flights. Duck biceps are no joke. And for all that intense flying, ducks need massive amounts of oxygen. Their respiratory system is an ingenious one-way airflow system with lungs and a network of air sacs. Unlike us, air flows through their lungs in a continuous one-way stream, ensuring nearly all the air in their lungs is replaced with each breath. This provides tons of oxygen and helps remove the extreme body heat generated during flight. Talk about nature's ultimate air conditioning system. To deliver all that oxygen, ducks have a large four-chambered heart. This highly efficient system ensures oxygen-rich blood gets to those powerful flight muscles, perfectly suited for the rigors of aerial acrobatics. But it's not just about raw power, it's about precision. Ducks have proportionately large brains connected to keen eyes with rich processing centers. Commands from the brain are transmitted quickly via short nerves to the muscles controlling their wings and tail, allowing for incredible agility. Like a wood duck dipping and diving through tree branches in a forested wetland with surprising ease. Even their short tail feathers fan out like a rudder for steering and balance. The ultimate built-in flight control. The combination of all these amazing adaptations allows ducks to perform long, fast, and precise flights, cementing their status as some of the most efficient aviators in the natural world. So, how high and how fast can these feathered rockets go? Some ducks can fly as high as 6,400 meters. That's over 21,000 feet in the air, higher than many mountains. Though most prefer to cruise at more common altitudes of 60 to 200 meters, and they are fast. Using wind to help them reach incredible speeds of up to 96 kilometers per hour, 660 mph. These impressive figures directly contradict the myth that ducks can't fly, providing concrete proof of their aerial prowess. Their long-distance flight capabilities are crucial for migration, allowing them to travel thousands of miles between breeding and wintering grounds. A true testament to their airborne abilities. And remember, flying is just one of their superpowers. These talented swimmers have waterproof feathers thanks to a waxy coating that protects an inner layer of down, keeping them warm and dry even in cold water. Basically, built-in wetsuits. Their feet are designed to prevent heat loss, allowing them to swim comfortably in icy conditions. Some species can even dive up to 73 meters, 240 feet underwater. Talk about an underwater ninja. But wait, there's more duck-tastic facts. Did you know ducklings can communicate with each other before they even hatch? It's like pre-birth gossip. They're super social animals and love to hang out together. Definitely not introverts. Believe it or not, ducks can even have regional accents. Their quacks can sound different depending on where they're from. How cool is that? And without human intervention, some ducks can live up to 20 years. Longer than your average pet goldfish. So, there you have it. The truth about ducks and their incredible ability to fly has been revealed. While some domestic breeds, injured individuals, or ducklings might prefer to stay grounded, and even wild ducks need a proper runway, the vast majority of these amazing birds are truly incredible aviators, built from beak to tail to conquer the skies. The common misconception that ducks can't fly has officially been debunked. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of duck flight. If you learned something new, hit that like button, subscribe to FactSpark for more amazing animal facts, and let us know in the comments what other animal myths you want us to debunk. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.